20th.
All right.
Which is probably the lights. Oh,
There's
this one
20th right there.
20th, you could have went there.
Yeah, you can go
Do the
anyone.
next one too.
I'm doing the lights then.
19th works. 18th works.
There you are, those.
Used to be lots of geese in here before, but maybe they
Oh
found
no,
something.
there still is. I just don't know where they are right now. But yeah, they say
Nice along here, isn't it? This street.
yeah, they come up on the sidewalk and everything. They're awfully dirty.
I guess the Portage Fair is still big.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't know much about it. So. Aren't they
Still
going to
have all
build
the
a
cattle
new
and everything, I guess.
a new bridge over here to the island? Remember the old bridge is just about had it.
Yeah.
A lot of water in here, though. This isn't low at all. It doesn't look like.
No. Well, something runs into this lake. What is it? Where do they get the water?
Maybe the Assiniboine.
I'm not sure what runs into here.
Isn't this an old branch of the Assiniboine?
No. Well, it used to be like 100 years ago or something.
Yeah. I
No,
thought it was still
Assiniboine's
connected.
South of the freeway now, or south of the perimeter.
But I thought it was still connected.
I'm sure at one time it was. Must have been. So you can drive across the bridge.
Yep.
These are nice old houses, these ones here. These are the brick ones.
Aunt Ruth and Uncle George used to live in the last one before you get to. Which one it was it?
It was on the left here.
One of these, yeah.
We got two.
Looks like that road goes all the way across.
Yeah. So I was gonna say.
Well, I think they're making something new here.
Well, that is new on that side, so maybe they're going to take the bridge out.
Yeah. Just it's a causeway. It's on the
Must be a
ground
bunch
this
of
time.
culverts or something in that new road.
Yep.
Something in there.
Yeah, they got ground. It's be cheaper to maintain.
Yeah, it brings back memories coming over here, eh?
Yeah.
We used to play checkers over here somewhere.